Hello, dear aspirants. I hope you are doing well and your studies are going great. Welcome to CGP Mentors. My name is Sonika Sen. So, as the thumbnail suggests, this video is regarding UPSC, EPFO, APFC 90 days crash course. And on an average, you have to give 4 hours per day, as in 4 live lectures. So, before I tell you the detailed schedule, right, I want you to do one thing. That is, first of all, uh, see, if you're taking this 90 days crash course, two things must be there in mind. That first of all, you're watching these live lectures very religiously. Let's say ek do din skip ho gaya, so that does not mean ki religiously follow nahi ho raha hai. That means you're covering on time whatever is being taught. Okay. Secondly, there are an ample of videos regarding the strategy sessions. So, I would request you to please pause this video and first watch the strategy session of 90 days plan, in which we have discussed the 90 days, that what shall be the 90 days strategy. That means what are your priority subjects, what are your primary subjects, and what are the secondary subjects. Why are you asking, ma'am, this? Because, see, in that priority subjects, right, there is like quant, reasoning, English, plus labor codes, correct, IR, social security, and accountancy, right? I'm asking you to watch that video because our schedule is based on these priority subjects, right? What does that mean? It means that if, let's say, we are starting, right, our course, right, our live lectures from 1st of September. So, in that month of September, we will make sure that आपकी QRE plus labor codes and आपका जो accounting है वो complete हो जाए, right? Then we have certain primary subjects and then we have certain secondary subjects with which we will try to cover, right? We will cover in October and in the months of mid-November. Mid-November तक हमारा syllabus complete हो जाएगा, right? I know there are innumerable videos on YouTube that talks about 4-month plan. See, in 1 month is entirely for your revision. So that is why our schedule is still up to 15th of November. 1 month is entirely for your revision. That does not mean कि आप revision साथ साथ नहीं करेंगे. Obviously, revision goes hand in hand. Every day you have to do revision either of 1 hour or 1.5 or 2 hours depending upon the previous day आपने कितना पढ़ा है. ठीक है? So two things. One, please watch the strategy sessions. One is this 90 days plan and one strategy session is of labor laws and social security so that you are able to understand what does that include since it is a new subject. Then see our schedule, that what we are providing you. Let's start, right? Okay, wait a minute. So this is our schedule. This is our schedule, right? So, as the priority subjects include English, we will have in total 25 hours, right? We will complete our general English in 25 hours and, right? And Indian culture, heritage and freedom movements, that is modern history and art and culture, that will be completed in 30 hours. Similarly, for the polity, it is 30 hours. General science, since it has PCB, correct? And science and tech, which is related to what? Our current affairs. That would be 40 hours. Similarly, computer applications will have 12 hours. Now, I mind you that in 2025, if you see our detailed strategy videos, you will be able to know that nowadays, science and basics computer, half of the questions, so if I combine both the subjects, half of the questions are affiliated or inclined towards mostly current affairs. That do not mean कि आपको basics नहीं करने हैं, वहाँ से half of the questions आएंगे. You cannot leave these subjects. And what is the best part about both these subjects? I've already told you that it is static in nature. Stability है यहाँ पे. That means general science से अगर let's say 10 questions आ रहे हैं और 8 questions यहाँ से आ रहे हैं तो मतलब आएंगे ही आएंगे. Drop out नहीं देखा गया, drop rate नहीं देखा गया है. For example, English would have 20 questions. Correct? You can see those videos. वहाँ पे detail में बताया है. Since it is about the schedule. Then, industrial relations would be like we will be covering in 36 hours. I'll be taking the subject of IR, labor codes, and social security. Principles of accounting, 37 hours, right? Development issues and present trends in Indian economy, current events of national and international importance, 24 hours. Okay, ma'am. Why are we not doing it economy separately? I don't know why people are asking to do it separately. I'll tell you why. Because our syllabus, specifically in the EPFO, mentions development issues and present trends. That means they would be asking more of the current affairs. Okay, and I've told you kahan se kaun se types ke current affairs बैंकिंग मैगजीन से करने हैं, कौन से टाइप के करंट अफेयर्स पीआईबी से करने हैं, ठीक है, आई हैव टोल्ड यू प्रीवियसली। नाउ क्या फिर हमारा स्टैटिक कैसे कवर होगा मैम? सी, we will make sure as a faculties that whenever we are doing current affairs that is related to the economy, or separately economy would be covered for you, economy related current affairs would be covered to you. For example, you are doing CPI, so our teacher will tell you that what is inflation, what are the different types of inflation, so that any static aspect that is related to the current affair would be covered there and there itself. Okay, so you do not have to worry कि क्या मैम हमें ये करना है क्या नहीं करना है, all of that, correct? ठीक है, so you have to devote 4 hours to our live lectures, that is in this way, ठीक है? Now this is our plan for September to October, right? Our classes would continue in Monday to Saturday. For Monday to Friday, you have to devote 4 hours. On Saturday, you have to devote 3 hours. Okay? That means on Saturday, what is there? First of all, let me discuss Monday to Friday. You would have English, Polity, IR, and accountancy. Okay? So 9 to 10 a.m. that means सुबह 9 से 11 आपकी 2 classes होगी, right? That is for English and Polity. After that, for 11 to 12, right? अच्छा, ये भी 11 to 12 है. Okay, so continuously there are 3 classes for the labor laws, and 4 to 5 p.m. that is accounting. So this schedule will be followed for Monday to Friday. So there is no class of English and Polity on Saturday, right? Whereas labor laws and accounting will continue. Why? Because these are more of a EPFO subjects, and that requires little more attention because these are new in nature, right? Polity और English आप पढ़ते ही हैं. Then one more additional class जो आपकी Saturday को होगी, that would be related to the current affairs. Okay. Now before I proceed, right? Before I proceed, मुझे आपको एक चीज बतानी है that is related to the current affairs. And that is, see, there are certain aspirants who would like to do current affairs in the last month, right? So that depends on you. If you would like to do in last month, you can watch our videos. Content will be provided to you. But there are certain aspirants who wish to do, right? And I believe that you, if you're preparing for EPFO, somewhere you are preparing for some another examination and you have been in the aspirant journey since few months or years. Now, that means current affairs से आपका कहीं ना कहीं touch होगा ही होगा. And so those aspirants would love to do like timely. That means time to time they have to cover so that कुछ भी आपका बाद के लिए bundle up ना हो. So why only Saturday? See, Saturdays, right? That means let's say 4 Saturdays, correct? In 4 Saturdays, 4 lectures would be there, right? And in 2 lectures we would be covering for the 1 month. That means, can I say for the 1 month we can cover 2 months current affairs. 2 to 3 months आपके current affairs cover हो जाएंगे. Mainly we have to cover from Jan to September, and let's say some news are repeatedly, so कहीं ना कहीं वो tone down हो जाएगा और आपकी each and every aspect of current affair would be covered. Special focus will be there definitely on science and tech part, defense, awards, the type of questions जो previously पूछे गए हैं, and computers. ठीक है? So this is the story of the current affairs. Economic का story हमने आपको बता ही दिया है. चलिए. Then in the months of now, yes, एक चीज जो मुझे यहाँ बतानी थी कि why are we starting off with polity, right? When it is a primary subject. It see primary subject, आप प्लीज वो वीडियो देखना. तो उसमें मैंने प्रायोरिटी सब्जेक्ट्स में इंग्लिश, राइट, कंटेंट रीजनिंग और ये डाला है 4. ठीक है? This is in a primary subject. That means you cannot leave that. It is important. अगर आपने अच्छे से कर लिया है, mostly questions जो ऐसे होंगे you will be able to solve it because the subject is little vast, right? So you cannot leave it for the month of October, right? So you have to start it from the start itself. We will be having live lectures. It's up to you that how you manage your time with being with respect कि मुझे पहले कौन से subjects करने हैं and ऐसे. Plus, what you more have to do is, see, content reasoning is something, okay? Content reasoning is something which we are giving you recorded lectures as written in the schedule also. We will upload the schedule in our respective Telegram channel, on our respective Telegram channel. So, recorded होंगे. आपको क्या करना है? मैंने पहले भी बताया है. You have to watch this topic wise. तो मैम practice कहाँ से करनी है? See, I've already told that UPSC level of CSET यहाँ पे नहीं पूछा जाएगा. Neither the banking level of would be asked because that is too much of basics and calculative. Here, both mix of UPSC and banking, little calculative and little conceptual would be asked. You can see the PYQs. तो मैम हम practice कैसे करें जो UPSC के pattern पे हो? I've always told you from the CAPF and serious examinations, and not only content reasoning but also English, basic science questions, right? You can see these papers for the GS also. These are very relevant for the EPFO examinations. Okay, so you have to practice for it. It is freely available everywhere on every website, UPSC websites, or we can create a link for the same as well, right? Okay, so now I hope I'm clear with the economy, why we are starting off with polity and the current affairs and content reasoning. That means, can I say that suppose if you're taking 4 hours lectures, right, and 1 hour you're giving or devoting your time either of the quant or reasoning, right? Quant के questions ज़्यादा आते हैं, 10 questions of quant, let's say 1 of stats, or let's say 4 or reasoning. ठीक है? So the rest of the time, that means let's say you're studying on an average 8 hours, है ना? The rest of the 3 hours is definitely shall be devoted for your revision. And you have more time for revision on Saturdays and Sundays. Since there is no class on Sundays, you can cover the backlog also of the live lectures if you wish to. Now, there would be a question for those aspirants that, ma'am, what about working aspirants? What about those aspirants who are preparing for other exams also? Hannah, let's say you're preparing for NABARD or you're preparing for UPSC. So we will be bringing a strategy session for both of these aspirants, right, who are, I believe that mostly aspirants are preparing with others examinations, right? So don't worry, बस एक little change जो ये होगा आपके लिए, that you आपका जो syllabus coverage है that would be extended. Suppose ये mid October में खत्म हो रहा है, तो mid October नहीं, sorry, mid November में खत्म हो रहा है, so your would be completed at the end of the November or first week of December. बस ये difference होगा और difference नहीं होगा. That means आपका syllabus थोड़ा सा धीरे चलेगा, ठीक है? And yes, to all of the students and aspirants, you have to have a patience. You cannot do all the subjects in one time, है ना? You have to do it slowly and steadily. You have to keep trusting yourself and of course CGB. ठीक है? Then this is for the October to mid-November. We will be looking at the other subjects, that is computers, ठीक है, basic science. And आप खुद सोचो, we are doing current affairs, somewhere we are in touch with basic science related current affairs, correct? Government schemes, I will be teaching it, government schemes, 4 hours. In 4 hours, we'll be taking, let's say, 4 sessions and you will be done with it. Then Indian culture, that is art and culture. Heritage and freedom movements, that is your modern history. So this is our all the schedule and the plan, and we will free you at least 1 month before so that you can revise each and everything, you can practice it, you can practice the mocks we will be providing, right, based on CAPF type of questions. Now, one more thing I would like to introduce, the kind of notes and PDF we would be providing, okay? So this is the core on wages, correct? If you have any doubt regarding कि मैम कैसे पढ़ाया जाएगा, I would be sharing various links in the pinned comment. There is a complete core on wages I have taken on YouTube, correct? So you can see that, right? You can see that lecture, and this is the kind of notes we would be providing. For example, this is section 26, basic things. We have given the in a bullet format. So if something is very tougher side, then we have given the table also, right? So that you are easily able to understand, right? See, sometimes the concepts are very difficult, so that needs to get organized in your mind. For that, I have created these tables. Like 8.5% and 20% is the conceptual and the table thing. Okay, so I have one more PDF to show to you. That is about, wait a minute, is about the biologies. That is cell, the basic unit of life, very easy to understand, right? फिर आपके इसके lectures भी होंगे. Science, basic science के, again that would be live lectures, correct? Discovery of cell and all of that, correct? This is how our PDF and the notes would be provided to you. चलिए. So I hope you got our plan, and yes, all the very best. And yes, if you have any kind of queries, you can mail to us, text us, and you can call us. We are here, Hannah, to provide all the services and the kind of queries you have. We are here to solve it. Thank you so much from CGP Mentors, Sonika.